Check out this 2007 BMW 5 Series. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.